Hi, I am Chirag Jain, Director of Jaintek Elastomers Private Limited. We are into manufacturing of composite materials which we made from 100% waste like CND dust, marble dust, fly ash and waste plastic. Plastic we use for as a bonding agent. These are some of our products which use as a weight in floor lamp, table lamp and other decorative items wherever weight is required so that product will not fall or tilt. These are three of our certifications: ISO, QMS, environmental and safety certificate. We are also member of Material Recycling Association of India. For our raw material, waste dust, fly ash, plastic from all scrap, iron waste, iron dust waste. We mix all the raw material in the furnace. After mixing, material comes in a dough form. And as per the requirement of the product, we measure or weight the material and pour it in a die. After molding, product comes in a finishing and final area for grinding and drilling process. This is the final product after grinding and drilling process. In any case, if we break, we get 100% recycle. Like, नहीं होता.